Coring in concrete is the process of removing a cylindrical section of hardened concrete using a specialized cutting tool called a core drill. It is a widely used technique in construction, structural assessment, and renovation projects, primarily for quality control, structural evaluation, and creating openings for utilities. A core drill is equipped with a diamond-tipped drill bit, which is capable of cutting through dense concrete, reinforced concrete, asphalt, and even masonry without causing significant vibration or damage to the surrounding structure. The coring process begins with marking the exact location where the core is required, followed by securing the drill to ensure precision. Water is often used during drilling to cool the bit and reduce dust. The rotating diamond bit cuts through the concrete, producing a smooth-sided cylindrical core. These cores can vary in diameter, typically ranging from 25 millimeters to over 300 millimeters, depending on the intended purpose. Concrete coring serves various purposes, including obtaining samples for compressive strength tests, detecting voids, verifying reinforcement placement, and creating pathways for plumbing, electrical conduits, or HVAC installations. In structural investigations, engineers often use core samples to assess the in-situ strength and durability of concrete, which can help determine whether repairs, retrofits, or replacements are necessary. One of the key benefits of coring is its precision. It allows for accurate sampling or openings without causing large-scale demolition. However, it must be done carefully to avoid damaging embedded reinforcement or affecting the integrity of the surrounding structure. Safety precautions, such as securing the work area, using protective gear, and controlling water runoff, are essential to prevent accidents and maintain quality. In modern construction, concrete coring is an indispensable technique, combining accuracy, efficiency, and minimal disruption, making it the preferred method for both investigative and installation purposes.